Welcome to another episode of Cooking as Usual. Today we'll be making the Friends Thanksgiving leftover turkey sandwich. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. I love the TV show Friends, and one of my favorite episodes is the one with the Thanksgiving leftover turkey sandwich, which is what inspired me to make this video. Monica has a secret to making this sandwich.
Her secret is she puts an extra slice of gravy-soaked bread in the middle.
The show never actually said what was in the sandwich, so I just used ingredients that I had left over from my Thanksgiving meal from the day before. Let's give it a try. All of my ingredients are cold and somewhat dry to start with, so let's warm everything up and add a little moisture. Let's start with the turkey. Melt some butter in a pan, then add enough turkey chunks for 2 sandwiches. Slightly brown on both sides, then add about a 1/4 cup of vegetable or chicken broth. Once the broth is soaked into the turkey, remove it from the heat and let it cool for a bit. Next, let's deal with the gravy. Cold gravy can become very congealed, so more broth is needed here. I have about a cup of cold gravy, and I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of vegetable stock. We're going to soak some bread in it, so it's okay if it's a little runny. And now it's time for
the Moistmaker.
I let the bread soak in the gravy for about a minute, turn it over, and then let it soak for another minute, then take it out from the gravy. And now it's time to assemble the sandwich. I take 2 pieces of bread, add a layer of turkey, then the Moistmaker, and then add a layer of stuffing. Yes, that's a lot of bread, so I throw in some tomatoes to offset it. And there you have it, the Friends Thanksgiving leftover turkey sandwich. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks! That was delicious.